Come on, what do we got? An Oshawott. A Charmander reverse holo. Let's go. That card's awesome. And hey everyone, Digital David here. Today in this video, I'm going to be checking out the Pokemon Celebrations Premium Figure Collection Pikachu VMAX. I did purchase this product myself, and any opinion expressed in this video is strictly my own. That being said, if you're interested in this product, you want to find out more about it, the link to it will be in the video description. You can see the retail box and packaging right here with some really cool Pikachu graphics on it, so we can see that from both sides. And then in the back, you can learn more about what's included in this box and all of the contents. And obviously from the front, we have that nice sneak peek of our promo cards and our Pikachu figure. Now let's go ahead, let's open it up and look at the contents. Here are all the contents. First up, you can see we have our lovely Pikachu figurine right here. This is awesome, so cool. I feel like it needs to light up or something. What am I missing? But this looks really nice. Great looking figure, really neat. Next, you can see our online code card followed by our two Pikachu promo cards. Here's the Pikachu V up close. Great looking card. You can see it from the back side. Next, we have our Pikachu VMAX right here. Same thing, you can see it from the back. Next, we have our booster pack. So we have one Chilling Reign, one Vivid Voltage, and one Darkness Ablaze, followed by our 8 celebration packs. Now keep in mind for the celebration packs, they only include 4 cards, whereas your regular booster packs contain 8 cards. But check this out. You can see it from all different sides and angles. Everything looks great. Now let's go ahead and open them up. All right, so first up, let's go ahead. Let's open our 3 miscellaneous packs right here. So we'll start with Chilling Reign. All right, see if we did that right. All right, we got our energy up first. Let's see what we can pull out of here. Maybe a holo rare, that'd be pretty cool. Oregon, one of the OGs, Swirlix, Easel, Weasel, Snover, Blitzel. All right, so we got a Heracross. Looks like that's a pretty cool looking reverse holo. And you can see our non-holo rare, our Malamar right here. Now it's time for our Vivid Voltage pack. Really a cool looking piece of pack art. Let's see if we can pull any sort of Charizard or Pikachu out of here. That'd be a lot of fun. All right, no peeking. All right, let's flip it around. We got our Leaf Energy. Ooh, another Energy. Cool looking cards. Let's see what we're pulling right here. So far, so good. Come on, what do we got? An Oshawott. A Charmander reverse holo. Let's go. That card's awesome. And you can see, oh man, no Charizard. But check out our rare. You can see we got a Rock. But this is stealing the show, baby. Check out that Charmander and its glow. All right, now let's see how we fare with our Darkness Ablaze pack. Again, could we pull a Charizard? That would be really cool. At this point, you know, beggars can't be choosers. Take a holo. All right, Psychic Energy. Flaffy. Spinnerack. La Vista. Oh, no peeking. All right, we got a Starly. Reverse holo into. All right, you can see a Scissor VMAX. All right, we pulled a VMAX out of that pack. Let's go. All right, now we're on to pack 1 of 8 of our celebrations. Let's see what we can get. Always fun to pull the big 3. Obviously, we're still on that Charizard chase, would be fun. Blastoise, Venusaur. I just really like this set, so it's just fun to open the packs. There's nothing at this point that I'm really looking to get, so we'll just see what happens. So I believe we just switched 1. Okay, our Flying Pikachu V. Maybe I screwed that up, I don't know. Love that card. Our Palkia, Cosmoem into our Garchomp. Now it's time for our second pack. Let's see what sort of magic we can pull out of this one. Maybe I'd love another Birthday Pikachu. Those are pretty cool cards. Let's see, what do we get? All right, Solgaleo, Xerneas, Groudon, and a Reshiram. All right, 2 down, 6 to go. Let's see what's coming out of pack number 3. If we can get in there. There we go. No peeking. All right. Oh, I felt the texture. What do we got? Professor's Research Full Art. All right. Let's go. What a cool card. I have not pulled that one yet out of this set. Zekrom and a Palkia. All right. 3 down, 5 to go. Let's see what we can get out of pack number 4. All right. Professor's Research, not full art, but that's cool. Got them side by side. Groudon again, a Reshiram, and a Claydol. All right, we're halfway through. Here we go. 4 down, 4 left. Was I even doing it wrong? All right, we'll just flip it. All right, Flying Pikachu V again. A Vital, Xerneas, and a Reshiram. Check out that card. Look at that. All right, we got 3 left. Let's see what we can pull out of here. These are so fun. I wish they had more cards in each pack. All right, we're flipping it around. Professor's Research again. All right, that's a common theme. Man, a lot of duplicates out of this pack. And a Lugia. All right, 6 down, 2 to go. What are we going to get out of this pack? Number 7. A lot of duplicates so far. Could it be? Well, what do we got? All right, let's flip it. All right. Solgaleo. Let's see. Reshiram. And Vital again. All right, is it time for some last pack magic here? We're on to pack number 8. What do we have here? Code card. No peeking. All right. What do we got? All right. A Zycan V. Cosmog. Groudon. And a Lugia. Here's all of our pulls, so check it out. We got our rares and reverse holos up here from our 3 miscellaneous packs and our commons and uncommons. Then you can see all of our celebration cards right here. So we have 4 Groudons, 3 Reshirams, your Vitals, and Palkia. So a ton of duplicates in these packs. And then you can see we have a bunch of doubles and some singles down here. And then you can see some of our big hitters. We got Reshiram. We got a full art Professor's Research. What a cool looking card. See it from the back side too. We got a Zycan V, our Reshiram. You can see how that looks. And then obviously we have our included promo cards, and those got to be my favorites. I really like both of those Pikachu cards. If I had to pick some of the other ones, I'm pleased with the Professor's Research. Out of all the celebration packs I've opened, I've yet to pull one of those, which is cool. And I would say the Charmander Reverse Holo has to be top 3 for me with all the cards that I opened today. So great set, a lot of fun to open those celebrations. You get some good pulls, you get a lot of duplicates too, but you can see I didn't pull the Charizard, so maybe you will. Well, that concludes our video. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget the product link will be in our video description below. Please go ahead, check it out, and do your shopping from there. Any purchase made through that link helps support our channel at no additional cost to you. So we're really grateful and thankful for all of your support. While you're at it, can you go ahead and hit that like button for us? And subscribe to our channel. We have new content coming out daily, and we don't want you to miss anything. Please go ahead and give us a follow online and make it a clean sweep. Facebook, Twitter, Instagram, Twitch, TikTok, Discord. You can message us on WeChat, check out our website, and join our free newsletter. Thank you guys so much for being here. Don't forget new content daily, and we can't wait to see you in our next video.